I'm here to create with you guys this amazing look. My god, I'm loving this so much. It's really simple, but it has a lot of technique. So I'm going to teach you some different things today. And I'm with freckles today, so if you want a tutorial by that, so let me know in the comments down below, and I will film my freckle tutorial for you guys. So, oh my god, my hair. So yeah, that's it. Give me a thumbs up. You already know what to do. Subscribe my channel, follow me on social media, and yeah, let's get started with this tutorial. So I've already primed my lid with concealer, that Lancome old one that I love. And today I'm going to use Jean Charles palette, obviously, and I'm going to use the Sweet Peach by Too Faced, this one, this cutie here. I'm going to use these two colors right here. This one is Just Peachy and this one is Candy Peach. Just Peachy, Candy Peach. I'm going to use these two united, and then I'm going to use Ring Light on my inner corner by Jean Charles, and yeah, that's it. That's basically it. And I'm going to use just let me show you. I'm going to use just this blue right here. The name. So this blue right here. And okay, let's get started. So, with a fluffy brush, I'm going to use, first of all, Candy Peach, Just Peachy. Candy Peach, Just Peachy. And I'm going to blend. Okay. Like this. I'm going to blend them together. Blend these colors on your lid as well. Don't blend just on your crease. It's difficult to talk. And now, let's get to the lower lash line. With this pencil brush like this, I'm going to pack that blue right on my lower lash line, going up, like this, okay? Like this. Don't be mad if the line isn't too perfect, but just smudge that up and that's okay. Now I'm going to pick Ring Light and let's apply it just with dabs on the lid. Just like that. And now mascara time. It's really simple. It's really simple. On the top and on the bottom. Just like this. And now for lips, I have this kit here by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to use today Bombshell. It's this color. It's really beautiful. And I'm going to use just like this. So we're finished. I really hope you guys like this video, like this tutorial. I really love this. Give me a thumbs up, it's really important. Subscribe my channel, let me know in the comments down below if you want a tutorial with my freckles and situation. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Mwah.